Hi everybody! Today I'm going to show you how to do paint. Let's start. First, take a bowl and a spoon. Then take any powder you want and a glass of water and a container. Now let's start. Let's just take some powder now. This is enough. You see? Now, let's just dip the water into the spoon and just have some water drips. Now let's mix. I see we need still a little more water. Now we have to mix until it becomes like thick foam. Like paste. Let's add some more powder. And put this here. Let's add some more powder. Okay, now let's have some water to make it just like how we did it last time. Take some more water. Oh, and I forgot to tell you, we need food coloring too. I'm gonna choose green food coloring. And let's do it one last time. Again, powder. And a little bit water. Now you see? Thick paste. Okay, now I'm gonna get the food coloring. Actually, let's take some yellow food coloring. Let's just take a little bit. I'm gonna put it in here. More, just like one more. Yeah, I think this is enough. Now I'm gonna close the cap. Now let's mix. I see it's bright yellow. You see the yellow paint? Okay, now let's pour it into the container. So I already made green, now I'm gonna pour yellow. So you could just do this again if you want. If you have other food colorings, you could try using those colors by doing this. And I just forgot. I wanted to show you I used other paints that I made to color something. I colored this rainbow with my paints I made. Now I made the paint. So now let's test it out. Yeah, now I bought the paint. Now let's test it out. I see it works. And please subscribe.